Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board. So where you can get the technical events notifications which will be useful for both faculty and students. And this video I am going to tell you about a very good opportunity for a non-teaching staff to work in the IIT Hyderabad. So here there is a notification for the non-teaching staff under different categories, and you can see this is a permanent positions. So let us check with the detailed advertisements. So this is in IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so the IIT Hyderabad is an institute of national importance established by an act of parliament under the aegis of the Government of India, Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education, New Delhi. The institute invites online applications from eligible Indian nationals to fill up the following vacant regular posts through direct recruitment. So this is a very good opportunity for a non-teaching staff. So here they have given the name of the post and pay level and upper age limit and the backlog vacancies and the current vacancies. So you can apply for different categories: superintendent, engineer, public relations officer, technical superintendent, computer science and engineering, junior psychological counselor, executive assistants, physiotherapist, staff nurse, junior technical superintendent, computer science and engineering, junior engineer, electrical, accountant, and junior technician for artificial intelligence, biotechnology, central workshop, chemistry, chemical engineering, computer center, draftsman, CMD, electrical engineering, mathematics, mechanical, and aerospace engineering. So here you can find the vacancies, the number of backlog vacancies and the current vacancies. And see, the commencement of online applications, which was already started, that is from 23rd October 2024, and the last date of submission is 10th December. So remember guys, so the 10th December, before 10th December, those who are interested for getting the permanent positions, okay, in IIT Hyderabad in the roles of non-teaching, so just go through this website and you can apply. So here they have given different categories of disabled, suitable and physical requirements. So everything here. So go through this document. So relaxations, they have given the relaxation in the upper age limit, and see the essential, the qualification, desirable qualification for each post. Okay, and everything is in detail in this 13-page document. So I'll post the link in the description. So those who are interested to apply for this, you can simply download and go through. And if you are eligible, and don't miss the opportunity, so directly without any delay, apply for your desired position. Okay, so all the very best.